Okay, as I have told you, carboxylic acids are acidic in nature. Now, if you want to compare the carboxylic acid, which carboxylic acid is more acidic? For example, this is ethanoic acid, this is propanoic acid, CH3COOH, CH2COOH. If you want to compare between these two carboxylic acid, who will be more acidic? So you have to apply some factor, then you can explain about, you can compare the acidity of different carboxylic acid. So I give you effect of substituent on the acidic character of carboxylic acid. Acidic character of carboxylic acid. Now here one thing you should know, carboxylic acid may contain some electron donating group, plus affecting group, and carboxylic acid may contain some electron withdrawing group, minus affecting group. Due to presence of this electron donating or withdrawing group, the acidity of the carboxylic acid changes. Some will be more acidic, some will be less acidic. Now, before doing this, you know carboxylic acid always acts as weak acid. If someone asks you why carboxylic acids are weak, why they are not strong like mineral acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid or sulfuric acid. So if you want to give the answer why carboxylic acids are weak acid, you know carboxylic acid contain one alkyl group. R means alkyl group like methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl. And in class 11 you have got all alkyl groups act as electron donating group, plus affecting group. So when this R group, when this alkyl group donates the electron, all the electron comes towards oxygen because oxygen is more electronegative. So all the electrons comes towards oxygen. So when the electron comes towards this oxygen, then the electron density inside oxygen, not only this, with this oxygen also, the electron density with this oxygen increases. Here double bond is present, electron density is more here. So here single bond is present, that's why this oxygen is said to be more electronegative. So that is why maximum electron will come towards this oxygen, and that is why the electron density inside this oxygen going on increasing. And when the electron density increases inside the oxygen, then what happens? The strength of the bonds, these bonds, the strength of the bond also going on increasing. And when the strength of the bond increases, then it will be difficult to break this bond. And if you cannot break the bond, then you cannot release the H plus ion from the carboxylic acid. So that is why, due to presence of this electron donating group, it donates the electron towards this oxygen, and that is why the OH bond becomes stronger. And that is why it is difficult to break the OH bond and it is difficult to release the H plus ion. And that is why carboxylic acids act as weak acid. Now, I'll tell you about the effect of substituent. Presence of electron withdrawing group, I have written in short form. Presence of electron withdrawing group increases the acidity of carboxylic acid and presence of electron donating group, decreases the acidity of carboxylic acid. Just you have to learn this line, decreases the acidity of carboxylic acid. So now I will show you how the electron donating group or withdrawing group affect the acidity of carboxylic acid. See, I will compare these two, CH3, C double bond O, OH. And this is one of the carboxylic acid in which I have joined one chlorine like this. This is called ethanoic acid. This is called 1,2,2-chloroethanoic acid. So if you want to compare between ethanoic and 2-chloroethanoic acid, here methyl group is present. So methyl is electron donating group. Here one chlorine is joined with the carboxylic acid. As you know, chlorine is withdrawing group. So it will withdraw electron like this. So due to presence of donating group, electron will come towards this side. And due to presence of withdrawing group, electron will come towards this side. So when the electron comes towards this side, then the electron density in this side decreases. So the bond will be weak. Then you can release the hydrogen easily. I mean, you can break the bond easily. But here, due to presence of donating group, electrons comes towards this side. That's why oxygen hydrogen bond becomes stronger. Then it will be difficult to break. It will be difficult to release H plus ion. So that is why presence of electron withdrawing group increases the acidity. Presence of electron donating group decreases the acidity of carboxylic acid. Similarly, if you want to compare with propanoic acid, this is your propanoic acid, this is ethanoic, this is propanoic. Here the donating group is methyl, here the donating group is ethyl. As you know, donating power of alkyl group increases as the size of the alkyl group increases. Since this is ethyl group larger than methyl group, so that's why donating power will be more. Ultimately, it will donate more electrons towards this side. So that's why oxygen hydrogen bond will become stronger, and that is why it is difficult to release the hydrogen. So that is why ethanoic acid is more stronger than propanoic acid. Here donating group is more, I mean donating group is larger, here donating group is smaller one. Similarly, if you want to compare with this, here I have joined 3 chlorine like this. This is called 2,2,2 trichloroethanoic acid. Here I have joined 3 chlorine. This chlorine attract electron towards this side. This chlorine attract electron towards this side. This chlorine attract electron towards this side. Ultimately, 3 chlorine atoms withdraws electron from the carbon-carbon bonds. Ultimately, when all the 3 chlorine atoms withdraws electron, then the electron density in this side going on decreasing. And when the electron density going on decreasing, then the bond become weak. You can break the bond easily. I mean, you can release hydrogen easily. That is why presence of electron withdrawing group, I mean, as the withdrawing group increases in your carboxylic acid, the acidity will be more. And that is why this one will be more acidic than this, than this, than this. I mean, this is the lowest one, this is the highest one. So that is why I have given this line, presence of electron withdrawing group. I mean, as the number of electron withdrawing group increases, the acidity of the carboxylic acid also increases. And as the number of electron donating group increases, the acidity of the carboxylic acid going on decreasing. I'll give you another example. Look this example. CH3C, CH3, CH3, C double bond O, OH. Look this carboxylic acid. Here I have joined 3 methyl group, 1, 2, 3, 2,2-dimethyl propanoic acid. This methyl group donate electron, this methyl group donate electron, this methyl also donate electron. I mean, all the methyl group donates electron towards this side. So all the electrons will come towards the oxygen side. Ultimately, the bond will become very much stronger. That is why it is difficult to break it, and the acidity of this carboxylic acid going on decreasing. So that is why as the number of donating group increases, the acidity of the carboxylic acid going on decreasing. And similarly, as the number of withdrawing group increases, the acidity of carboxylic acid going on increasing. So this is called the effect of substituent on the acidic character of carboxylic acid. You can apply for the aromatic carboxylic acid also. So this is benzoic acid, this is benzoic acid. Here also you can apply that. Suppose here one nitro group is present, here one methyl group is present. You know methyl group is electron donating, nitro is electron withdrawing. So due to presence of withdrawing nature, here acidity will be more, here acidity will be less. So if you want to compare about the acidity of different carboxylic acid, you can explain the acidity like this way. Presence of electron withdrawing group always increases the acidity, and presence of electron donating group always decreases the acidity of carboxylic acid. Thank you.